Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode, or should I say welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how I created this car, and I hope you guys are excited to learn how I did it for myself. And also I would like to say thank you guys, everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for the like, for the share, thank you for the comments. I'll be responding to all of the comments as soon as possible, and also thanks for the love that you guys have shown to me via WhatsApp, all the social media platforms. I really do appreciate, and I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial video. So we're just going to go straight into it. And once again, this is Lindy SFX, and yeah, happy to have you here as well. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I've got alcohol in here, so I'm just going to spray it on here to take off any excess oil on this part of my skin. I'll be working with the Skin Illustrator. You can see how I have handled mine. Yeah, so I'll be working with some of the tones here. So I'll be making use of this stapling sponge and this brush as well. I'll be creating some scars on here with this. I'm going to spray in some alcohol. I'll be spraying it into this one. If I'm looking down, I'm looking at myself just to be sure that I'm doing the right thing, okay? Because there is no one filming for me. I'm doing it myself. So I'll be using this shade, okay? Spray this in. Use the brush. Dissolve the product. Take this. And just squash on there. So I had to adjust my camera angle. So I'm just gonna swipe this. So what I'm just doing is this, spray the alcohol in it, rub like this, and give it a very, I'm gonna do a very long scratch here. One thing with doing SFX makeup, I would always say this: do not do too much. Do not do too much. So I'm going to go back to this product and highlight some points on this marks. I give it some tension. Yeah, this is optional. This is not working. I'm going to use the brush, and it's going to be a bit thicker than normal, so take a little more product, then just go in some places, yeah, and just add some tensions on there. Go to the places where you have more tensions and okay. And it does highlight this part. Come on, pick product, don't be shy, pick product. Okay, I have to wash this one out because it's giving too much. Okay, so this is fine. This will be like our base effect. It looks good. And one thing with this Skin Illustrator is once it dries down, it's going to stay that way for as long as tomorrow. Yeah, so it's not going anywhere. And it's not going to transfer. So this is very good if you want to keep your makeup on for a long time. You can see this is so good. I'm going to go in with the rigid collodion. I'm going to go in with this. This is Lindy SFX Rigid Collodion. I'll be using this to create my scars on this base, okay? At this point, I'm going to go into this area where I have more depth with the scar, I'm going to just slide this product. I'm not going to make it like a very straight, sweet line. I'm just going to play around with it. And you have to give this product like 5 minutes for it to take effect. Okay. All right. And come in here and put something here as well. So I'll create dots with this out on this corner. Yeah, connect it to this one. So it has started taking effect, as you can see, but I would like to have it go a bit deeper. So I'm going to take a little more product. So if you would like to recreate this look, all products are available. You can send us a DM via Instagram and we would give you a response on there. So you can see my scar is coming to life. It is so easy to achieve, it's not complicated. SFX is not complicated. You just need to have the right products and the right skill. That's it. And it actually looks good just as it is. But I would like to add more effect to it. So I have in here liquid latex and some powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix some of this powder into the liquid latex. And this is just going to help me have a thick, like a pasty consistency. I'll be putting that on some part of this scar. So I'll just bring in some of this into my liquid latex and mix both together. Okay. So it's very pasty like. So what I'm going to do now is I'll pick it up and add it on top of what I've got here. So I want that rough texture. That's why I added the powder. What did I put here? Oh shit. It's already solidifying. So that's one thing with liquid latex. It gets dry pretty quickly, so you need to work really fast. Okay, one more. Just and I don't want it too thick, like too clumpy. Yeah. So I'm going to allow this dry. You can add as much details as you like. It mustn't be exactly like I'm doing it at the moment. So it's completely dry now. So what I'm going to do is spray in the alcohol, and I'll be using this shade, the darkest red. Coming back to my brush, just swipe on it, and I'll be adding it on that area. So I'll just go over here. Yeah, your liquid latex. It gives you that scab effect. You know, when you have an open wound and it's beginning to heal and you have that thick blood clot over the wound. So this is what I just created. So I'm going to go over all of them again. This is how it looks now. Not gonna do too much. So this is really easy. So the final thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding this drying blood. And pour in a little. I don't need too much. This is 2025, we're not wasting products. So what I would do is just to create a drying effect of whatever blood I must have, you know, spilled out from this wound. So I'll just take my fingertip like that and I'll just go over everything. I'll go over everything and quickly take out any excess. Okay, I'll use this paper to take out. It dries off, so you need to take it off immediately. All right, I'll come back with it again. Go around it like so. Then come back to this and take it out. You will still have that blood stain effect, but very minimal. So if you want to intensify it in a particular area, you can do that. I'm just going to do it here. I want the effect more here, so okay. I'm going to allow that sit for a while before taking it off. Okay, so time to take off. I'll just do it gently. I still want, yeah. Okay, so just, yeah, this is what I want. This was pretty quick, innit? And so simple. Okay, so the reason why I always emphasize on how simple it is people tend to overthink the whole process. When you overthink the whole process, it's just going to make it a whole lot difficult. But when you look at it as, oh, I just need to have the right products, I just need to, know what to do, it's just going to come very easy. And once you have that step by step, it's something you can always replicate and it will give you exactly the same effect. So you do not have to, start to say, oh, what do I do now? I did it like this before. It will always work the same way, okay? It will always work the same way. So this is what we have. Today's shout out will go to Treasure. And she or he said, I just came across your channel and I am in love. I recommend anyone that would want to go into costume and makeup to watch your channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate this lovely comment. It really keeps me going. So keep your lovely comments coming in. It really do encourage me. I would love to share more. Do subscribe, like, share, comment, and also share with your friends who would be interested in creating this kind of look. Okay, and thank you for my 3,200 and something subscribers. And my goal this year would be 10K. I think this channel deserves a 10K and a watch through time. Okay, yes, bye.